Hello everyone, you're welcome. This is Kingsley from KingspetDesigns. If you're just joining me for the first time, please ensure you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new video. Okay, in today's tutorial, in the previous one I did a different background showing you how to create a different kind of background. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to create this particular kind of background again. You can see in this background you can actually use this for either your invitation or any design you want to do. So I'll be showing you how to actually create this background yourself without either going to do some copy of pasting of some background. So you can actually try some concepts of background yourself. So this is one concept I'm going to teach you. So without waste of time, let's just go straight into the tutorials. Okay, first thing you're going to do is I'm going to create the background I'm going to be having. That's I'll double click on rectangular tool to create my background. So no, not okay. I'm going to make it let F4 so that okay, create my background. So the next thing I'm going to do is to let's create the effects to it. That's the going to make use of this. Then let's make this a dark shade of red, and the center is make it a lighter shade. Now what I'm going to, let me just leave it the way it is. Now I'm going to now create a rectangle. I'm going to make use of a rectangle in this the remaining side of this tutorial. I'm going to make use of a rectangle. Then I'll try to align the rectangle the way I want it. So I'm going to do something like this. Then let me see. Let me try and adjust it more. So rotate it. So we have this. We have this here, and let me make another one, another copy of it here. So now I'm going to be having two copies here. So I'm going to do a blending, copy the field here. I don't want hairline on it. So this one, so I don't need the hairline. So on this one I'm going to work on it. I don't need this blending kind of effect. I need a straight blending, and this time around I need it to be this way. I need it to go something like this. Should go like this. I need this side to be darker. So I'm going to copy the same kind of feel to this side. Copy all properties. So this is what we have on this one here. Now I'm going to now select both of them, adjust it. Whoa, I'm going to think this is okay. I'm going to copy the same thing here, but this time around I'm going to mirror it, but only one. I need only one of this side to appear. So on this side I'm going to copy it also, then do a mirroring this way, and on this side too I also want one of them to appear. Then mirror it again the third time and put it somewhere here, but this time around I just need one of them. to appear. I'm going to do away with one. I just need one of them, so I'm going to use this, convert it to curve. Now adjust. I'm going to now adjust this so it fills up. A bigger shade of it. So this is what I have here. So now I think I'm going to work on the blending a little. So now this is what we have. Now I'm going to, after doing this, now I'm going to give them something like a background. I need it to have a little, so I'm going to shadow on it. I'm selected all of them, then I'm going to now, let me send this to the back and see. Let me take it back. I need it to join. Let me see. I think it's okay. I needed it to terminate where both of them terminate, so I'm going to select all of them. No, still going to work on this down, come, select and drop it somewhere here. Should come somewhere here and adjust it a little. And on this one too, I'm going to do some work on it, adjust it a little. But this time around, I want this to overlap on top of the other one. Remember I said this side I want it single, so I'm going to do it, remove it. I need this to overlap, so and this I'm going to edit that it this way. So now I'm going to now, remember I said convert to curve, that's Ctrl Q, and adjust it so it goes through. Ctrl Q, or you convert to curve, then adjust this side also. Now I think I'm done with this. Only this side is having two of it, so I'm going to now select all of them and select this, hold shift key and select the main background inside. So now I can group them together. Now I'm going to now come and apply transparency. I'm going to drop shadow on it, then I'm going to make use of smaller shadow effects. Then I'm going to choose a dark effect on it. Then on this side I'm going to make it, let me say 8. Need it to be tiny, and let me see how this will look. I think it's too thick. It's becoming too thick, except I reduce my transparency. Okay, let me leave it like this now. So after doing this now, I'm going to now select all of them the way they are. Now I'm going to do something. I'll click on everything. Deselect it. Okay, this is what I needed. I want to take this one up. I need this to come up. So I will now select, I'll reselect them again, select everything and deselect this. Now I'm going to right click, power clip inside of this. So this is what we now have. So now I'm going to now, after doing have, this is what I now have as my result. So after on this, now I'm going to apply some kind of effect, a little effect on this, lightning effect on this light shade. So now I'm going to make use of rectangular tool again. I'm going to draw something like this. Then let me make this a yellow color, then apply my blending to it. On the center I need another one, then let me see, here it should be red, 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 and this side should be yellow. Now on this red, I'm going to now make this side a bit transparent, and also this side I'm going to make it a bit transparent. That's total transparency I use here. So now I'm going to now click out the color on it. I mean I'm going to the hairline, I clicked it out. So on this side I'm going to make it a bit tinier. So now I'm going to now adjust it. Now place it on each of the, so I'm going to duplicate them and ensure. Now after duplicating, let me just pick them 1 2 3 4. Let me power clip them inside, selecting them, power clip it inside, so it also goes inside. Now I'm going to work on inside of it. Now I'm going to select this, rotate it, or you can apply this to the edge of this. Just ensure you align it very well. So you can see how this one looks like now. So you do the same thing to the rest of them. That's, you are going to apply the same effects to the same thing to the rest of them. And this, I have to take it here, rotate it. Could even increase it so that that one. So I'll duplicate the same thing here, but this time around I want it to be from this side. More of the yellow should be from here. Do the same thing to this other one here. Finally this one. So you can see how I've been able to create this. So this is my background. So with this now you can actually add any text to it. For example, let me get my text and come and insert to it. So I have my text ready. So you can now insert your text anywhere you want it to be. For example, let me say this is my text. So you can now insert your text anywhere you want on the background. So you can see I've been able to achieve this in less than some minutes. So you can actually work on several different pattern of your design yourself. So I believe you might have learned from this tutorial. If you have any difficulty or any question to ask or any video idea you want me to do, you can actually drop on the comment box below. I'll try my best to see how to attend to each and every of them. If you're still watching this video and you have not yet considered subscribing to my channel, please hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new videos. Until next time, bye for now.